as a single source supplier, that means we can provide multiple services to our customers. And saying, we could do generator service, motor service, pump, vibration, testing, all in one facility. You don't have to go out to multiple vendors for these services. Well, with our years of experience working with the OEMs, our relationships, we're able to get technical data from the OEMs, and you get a OEM level repair, or sometimes some cases much better. Because we've seen multiple manufacturers' products, and we know the nuances and what needs to be done, to actually get longevity out of your product. The major thing that makes us different from our competitors is our close relationship with the OEMs. We're able to, support our customers a lot better and closer with the technical data and expertise, and it just gives them a warm feeling that they're dealing with the right guys. We're looked at as the experts in the industry when it comes to motor and generator repair. We look at customer relationships as a partnership. We want to solve their problems so they don't have issues, they don't have problems. The culture here is just everybody works together as a team. Everybody wants to do good and get the company to the next level.